Hi guys, Silver here, and today I want to open up this with you. It's the Gotchadriver, the special big release that came with the strap holder and stuff. Yeah, I managed to get it from AliExpress for rather cheap, so it's already a bit opened, but I just wanted to check if everything is fine. We have the massive box art, information that one pack of Chemi Series 01 is included. We have the form of Gotcha Tornado, we have the form of Appareils cables and steam hopper here. We also have the holder. All over it looks really nice. Okay, so here it is, Gotchadriver and the Chemi rice holder. Here we have the Gotchadriver in its giant bento box like size. The mechanics do work. We have the belt fastener, which I think it's a new piece. I don't remember it ever being used in something else, which is a really nice information, especially since for a long time we had like reuses of the Sengoku driver holder, we have the reuses of Ghost driver's holder, the fastener, sorry. And we have the individual belt straps in this like neon orange that really remind me of the Weekend driver. I also opened up the cards earlier, so here we can see we have Hopper 1, Appareil Bushido, Odoripa, Deep Marine and Steamliner, but also we get a one pack. Okay, it's the I'm really sorry for the video that I sent out 2 weeks ago. It was awful. But yeah, our set comes with a Phase 01 Chinese booster pack, version Chinese, so I'm going to show you what's the difference between the Chinese and Japanese versions, and I hope that this time the unboxing portion won't be cut out. So yeah, let's look at the Gotchadriver. Here we have the Gotchadriver. Here is the battery box for it. It takes 3 AAAs, like the finger sticks, and let's turn it on. Wow, I love how bright it is. There is no sound for in setting it without cards, so let's test it out. Hopper 1! Steamliner! Wow, I like the LEDs. Now I really get why people compared this driver to like a Nintendo Switch, because I know the fingers are supposed to go this way, because when you hold it on your belt, but I really like it the way it is now. So yeah, let's now do the fever finish. Okay, and you undo the transformation by pushing in the tabs. For other cards, you normally don't have the combo, unless you bought other Phase 1 sets or Phase 0, or you bought the holder. Yeah, here we have the holder with the straps on it. I really like this holder, it's really simple, it keeps with the aesthetic of the show. Cards are supposed to go here. This way. Man, they are so shiny. I love these super rare cards. But yeah, cards that we get here are... Let me just Here we get Kamantis, Dokirabajin, Pilots, and Berningero. So I think we only unlocked one new form, and it's Odoremantis. Let's check it out. Ah. I think this is my favorite henshin jingle. Like this, like Rio de Janeiro whistles. It's really nice. It's kind of sad that in the show itself this form exists only as a PNG. Okay, so let's get into the final part and let's see what cards they get here. Maybe if you remember me opening phase 0, though it didn't have this. Here it's shown as the version Chinese. The box still has all the Japanese info. As you just saw, the driver still speaks in Japanese, so there isn't that much difference. Okay, so what forms do we have here? Spickle? It's supposed to be like spike and bicycle, so Spickle, I think it's the way you're supposed to pronounce this one. Dokiramajin, again. Wow, we have a Vice. That's nice, that's nice. And Skills in rare edition. So the only new form that we unlocked thanks to opening this pack. Appare Skibos. Even though sadly they're in different rarities. Ooh, because you can see this one is rare and has like a shiny background, while this one is super rare, so it's also number is shiny. Either way, they're both compatible as toys, so. So yeah, this was the Gotchadriver. The cards that we meant to get is Dokiramajin, Pilots, Berningero, Skebos, Mantis, Odoripa, Hoppa 1, Steamliner, Appare Bushido, Kamen Rider Voice, Dokiramajin, Spicycle, and Deep Marine. And yeah, I'm going to be honest, this driver is pretty boring. Like, it only gives you a henshin sound and a finisher. I would love for it to have something like build driver, where it gives each form like a subtitle. You know how Rabbit Tank is called a Steel Moonjumper? Like, why not call it like Teriki Samurai or something like that? But yeah, maybe the was credit would be like too similar to build if all of the forms had subtitles. But for me it simply makes all of the henshin sounds like a bit too short. There is no that triumphal oomph at the end. Like, I feel the most fun this toyline has is the card collecting. All of the equipment that's related to it, it's rather mid in my opinion. But yeah, thank you all for watching me opening up the Gotchadriver and with my first experience to it. Thank you all for watching, don't like, subscribe, check out other videos, and bye.